Welcome to another tip of the week, and today I'm going to talk to those of you who need to work with databases but you don't know a lot of SQL. You want a visual interface to be able to work with databases. Is there a way? Yes. So let's say because nowadays you know how they hire one person to occupy 10 different positions, and you're not necessarily an expert on 10 different positions. So maybe you need to manage a database, but you're not an SQL expert. You don't know how to program an SQL. Can you manage the database? Yes. I'm gonna show you here. This is PHP-MyAdmin. PHP-MyAdmin is usually installed in servers and allows you to see your database, to see your tables, to come here to your database, be able to see the tables that are in the database, be able to create a new table easily here, create a table, okay, new with 4 rows, insert new fields on the table, come here and choose if this is a character, an integer, or something like that. Insert records, so let's come here to this table and say I want to insert records in a visual manner. So this you use on the browser, but let's say I want to install a software in my computer. There are several. I'm going to show you 3. Table Plus for Mac and Windows, Queries for Mac, and SQL Pro for Mac. These 3 are really good software. I'm going to be able to show you just Table Plus because I'm on Windows, and this is the one I use. This is really easy to use, and I can do a lot of stuff. I'm going to show you just a little bit. You can create a new connection here to your database. I already have, and I'm actually going to show you. I'm going to show you here that I have a name for my connection, tag local. I have the host, the IP I need to connect to, the port, the user and password. In this case, this is what I'm using to teach, so that I don't have a user and password, and the database name. And I click on save here, and this is already saved, and I click on my connection and I connect to my database, and you see here MariaDB, and you see here my tables. Okay, I have only one table here, but you see my table. I can update my table here, and now this is going to be yellow, and I commit to my table, and now I come here on the, I'm going to show you on the table. Now this is updated here on my database. You saw that that was updated. I can see the structure, I can add rows, I can add data, I can create new tables here, I can see all my databases, and I don't need a lot of knowledge of programming to do this. Is this going to be the best, most optimized database in the world? No, because a database professional is going to know how to type the fields and everything in a more optimized way, how to do this better. But database professionals also use this software to help them out. Okay, so this isn't going to be optimized more because maybe you're not a database expert than because the software, the database you're creating here is less optimized. No, it's the same database. It's just that this is an easy way for those who don't understand about databases a lot, who don't understand of database programming, to manage databases. Okay, so I hope this helped. See you next week. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my courses.